Berngam ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association menai mukaddama ya ka sarkar jilla ladakam siyo ya kutulop ikinong hikai SSA hashwa ka live hoterik unnai wing. Kaseng kinong hikai bala tipkum ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association mta kasni kala berngam bakan aino da ka mukaddama ya ka sarkar jilla ladakam siyo no ikitulop jong kinong hikai SSA haka jingbu por ka jongki. Kene ka seng kinong hikai kala ong balada ka sarkar kam sngab iki jin gawa ki jong kinong hikai kam ban se ban aino ka mukadama ya ka sarkar jilla hapo ka yeng bishar Meghalaya High Court. Hapo kene kilab thai kubor Hashulong Press Club u President jong ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association u ba Aristotle C. Rambai ula kan tho jor ya ka sarkar jilla kabla yo hadu san kandai klor na ka sarkar India ban siyo ya ka tulab jong kinong hikai henry kam shimla le AA halor kani ka phang. Uway ni kinong ilam jong kanika seng uwa Marcus lapasamu ong maka jingle jong ka sarkar jilla kalong banbu iki nong hikai SSA syakendong. Uba lapasamu la ong ru ka right to education ka kadaw syai maka day bantung permanent iki nong hikai SSA hindre ka sarkar jilla ka tekti halor kanika phang.
General Secretary Jong Kamasasa Central Body. Tesasisin ngay lom lang biang kumne hapo kasyatri jong ka association ban penpau ya kataka kimat ya kiba u menteri rang ba padan buram jongi u sa Konrad Kongkel Sangma ya kiba ula ai ka press brief haga katnyau tarik November Hajar Kuwait berkata kalong ka point number 1 wong ba ka SSA program kadai ka program ya ka balastang da ka central government but kamdon ka ru ka jinya day hakabai day but ka regularization da ka sarkar Meghalaya lani ka education department jong ka sarkar Meghalaya tengina kaliang ka association ni susngoban penpau kumne ba ka jingkren jong UCM haka tu kasingi kalong kababakla bahawat kadai ka kanika flagship lani ka SSA program yaka lasdang da ka central government halor ki norms ya kiba ngila banyo lut parokhoj na ka RTE Act 2009 te Henry ka balingo apat hapo ka RTE Act halor bala dep lut ban pruit dak ya kitiki norms ba UCM jongi unai ya kini ki kentin ka balong bet ka kentin ka baai shock ya kino hikai jingi borok ka wai ka jela nomor babalay ngina kalian kino hikai iwe haman leki school haman leki managing committee ngidon ya ki RTE Act ya ka balaai da ka office jong district subdivisional education department mo SDSEO na ka office jong SDSEO te halor kane ba habang ipet ha ya ka jingkren jong isa ha ka singi kalalong tik kumba hadian jong kane ka ayom hau ahajar akunriu kumbangila ya chakmat na kirali lane kumbangila ya kren chakmat imat ba hangneru ka government imat kalamut banbu sideline ni suki-suki tikad bu jingma hakabay day batngi kinong hikai SSA borok away hapo ka jela te ka RTE Act ka krensyay bayangi lade bantung on regular basis kat kum kinoms ki bala puit dak plan nang to te ka ka basngu pla bat ka basngu pher pade banyo sngo ye kini ki kentin na i CM badon burom jengi jong ka sarkar Meghalaya haka jing sisyangi kum kinong hikai hang ni da ka baburom ya kini kinong kini kiriu shampang jong kanika jela Meghalaya jongi kum kinong mikmat ba ngijit yaki haman liki constituency ba maki kin tem ki jing jongi kinong hikai Henry hakum kani ka khep ka bangi yo I pade yo I ba nakapor hakabede bat kinong hikai school SA kador kanang hian nang hian bat mentala bu hatmi dengan susngudei ban kerpat ya ka sarkar Meghalaya MDA government ya baro andri pongot ki MLA snubha stick ya ka RTE Act bat pule ka keren ayu ka RTE Act habalawan ra ya ka ha kani ke jela Meghalaya jungi hau arajar sang ladang makla masa te bat hangtu kin salap lut shwa bikin ai haki press release namar ngi kinong hikai ru ngitip ka kita ka RTE Act but ki kum kinong mi khmat udah ka baburom nya ki ngi next camp baki tip te haba kin pelat haki social media kan jindal abha bakin dapat ta syai haki jingkran jong ki kamut ba maki kin bu yangi syarut tetang kini ki kentin ki bakhendian English
As highlighted by our Assistant General Secretary, Marcos Lakasam. So today press conference is specific related to the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma on 17 November 2021, which relates to the regularization of SSA teachers, and number two relates to the pending salary of SSA teachers. So first, let us start with number one. See, as per the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister, he mentioned that there is no such norms which instruct or which direct the state government to regularize the service of the SSA teachers. Added to that, he mentioned that the state has made there is no commitment of the state government to regularize the service of the SSA teachers. So regarding this statement of the Honorable Chief Minister, I just want to clarify or to justify as per the SSA norms. Number one, as per the framework and guidelines of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, in Chapter 5, Para 5.8, Chapter 5, Para 5.8a, it's clearly stated that the recruitment and other service matter of teachers are under the domain of state's government, and the central government is only to provide financial support as per the scheme's norm. Here, as per this para, it is clearly mentioned that it is the duty of the state government regarding the recruitment and the service matter of the SSA teachers. Added to this, it is also mentioned that there will be no separate teachers as sanctioned by the state. Rather, all teachers are ultimately the responsibility of the state government. Again, this also have made very clear that the teachers who appoint under SSA is totally the responsibility of the state government, whereas the central government is the duty of the central government is to only to provide financial support as per available fund, that is also as per the scheme's norm. Added to this, in para 4, in para 4, serial number 20 of the guidelines and framework of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it's clearly stated there will be teachers will be recruited as per the terms and condition of the respective states, and salary structure will be determined by the state norm for salary. Here also it is clearly mentioned in this para 4, serial number 20, it is clearly mentioned teachers will be recruited as per the terms and condition of the respective states. And also it's added the salary structure will be determined by the state norms for salary. So according to this norm, there is no such things which mentioned as per the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister. So we from the association side, after seeing the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister on 17 November 2021, last Saturday we have called an emergency GEC, and in that GEC we have taken a resolution that we totally oppose and strongly oppose the statement made by the Honorable Education Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, because this statement is baseless. and it is not based on facts and figure. Okay. Added to that, we cannot, and his statement is not acceptable by us. Added to this, the Honorable Chief Minister mentioned that till today they have not received any letter from the central government regarding regularization of SSA teachers. Okay, so I just want to clarify today. We have taken up this issue since 2016. Okay, since the previous government, and in 2016 we have met the Honorable Union Minister Sir Prakash Javadekar on November 2016 in New Delhi, and we have submitted a memorandum to him. So in response to our memorandum, the Ministry of Human Resource Development, okay, Government of India, which presently known as Ministry of Education, on 3rd February 2017, the Under Secretary to the Government of India, Manjit Kumar, have sent a letter to the Principal Secretary, Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, related to our demands. And in this letter, it is clearly mentioned here, it is requested to look into the matter and furnish a report on the matter to this department, as the matter related to service condition of teachers, their appointment, conduct of teachers training, construction of the school extra comes under the preview of the state government. It is